Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is up to date and has sufficient space. Once done, open Settings and confirm lock screen security is active. Live wallpapers need a passcode for some effects. Next, download or create the video or live photo you want to use, making sure it's less than 15 seconds for smooth playback. You'll use the Photos app and the lock screen editor, so keep both apps handy and stay focused on the next steps. You now convert or edit the asset. Use shortcuts or a trusted app to turn a video into a live photo. This adds the motion frame iOS expects. While converting, trim the clip to between 5 and 15 seconds and choose 60 frames per second if available for smoother motion. Once converted, save it to Photos and check live photo playback by pressing and holding. Make sure motion looks natural. If needed, repeat trimming until the action reads clearly on the lock screen. You're ready to apply the live photo. Press and hold the lock screen, tap Customize or Add, choose Photos, then select your live photo and enable live photo motion. Make sure perspective zoom is off to avoid cropping and potential stutter. If the animation doesn't play, restart the iPhone, check low power mode is off, then reapply the wallpaper. As a troubleshooting tip, re-export the live photo at a lower resolution or different frame rate if motion remains choppy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.